Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you what we did on the Harry Potter studio tour in London. But don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my channel before starting the video. Friends, Harry Potter studio is very far from the center, as you can see from the map. And friends, the studio tour takes a very long time. You need to spare a day. Now let me tell you how we got to the studio. We set off from our hotel in the morning. We got on the tube and went to Euston Station with transfers. We got a train ticket from Euston and took the train to where the studio buses were. After the friends got off the train, we started to get excited because we saw these signs pointing to the bus stop. Small details, but if you are a Harry Potter fan like us, you get excited when you see them. We're looking forward to our bus. Look at the beauty of the bus, so beautifully decorated. We are very excited. Friends studio bus is free. Our journey took 15 minutes. And we finally reached the studio. These decorations on the walls are beautiful. Then we reached the entrance of the studio by passing through the road with giant wands. There were decorations here too, as Christmas was approaching. After passing through security, we were very surprised and excited to see this giant dragon from the 7th film. There were cafes and restaurants in this section. We started our tour in the first film with Harry's room under the stairs. We went to the hall where the posters of the films were. There were very nice posters that we had not seen before. We came to the gate with the statues protecting Hogwarts in the film. And the doors open. It's very exciting. We're in Hogwarts dining room. We're so excited and happy. The dining tables in the film, everything is beautiful. They've decorated everything with a Christmas theme because Christmas is coming up. What we saw on the wall when we left the Solon, Dolores Umbridge's rules at Hogwarts. We went to the section with the materials used in the films. Friends, everything was so beautiful, we felt like we were in the film. Hagrid's hut is very nice. Weasley's marvelous house. We're entering the Forbidden Forest. We took a break from our trip to rest. We drank the cream beer from the film. I liked the taste, but my wife didn't. We continue our tour. Look where we are, guys. Bellatrix Lestrange's vault. Mates, this scene is so good. It's dark, but our tour continues. Friends, we've come to the end of our tour. As a Harry Potter fan, we like the tour very much. We recommend it to you too. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.